How to fix not receiving text alert notification from a particular contact. So if you want to fix text alert notification not receiving from a particular contact, then what you need to do is just go with messages. Once you open up your messages application, now if you're not receiving the text alert notification for a particular contact, then tap on that contact in which you are not receiving it and go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, or just simply go with the profile or the name. And here, if you've reported spam, or if you've set this contact as an archive contact, then you just need to simply go and remove from spam or from the archive. Or if you've turned on do not disturb for the particular contact, then you just need to simply go and remove the do not disturb for that contact. Or just simply scroll down, and here you need to tap on settings and tap on show all previews, and after that go back and remove your messages application from your background and tap and hold on to that messages application. Go with the app info, tap on storage and cache, and tap on clear cache. That's it. Now you need to restart your device, and after restarting, you'll receive the text alert notification from that particular contact. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.